Daddy also punk na FFA.
Daddy, come on.
Oh, Dad. I was a baby, Kaklamani, Sikasamanti, no, yes, I can't go. I dare not go back.
All this.
Oh, Daddy.
Hey,
okay.
Asia.
Hello. Good afternoon. One please is Tony around.
Tony is not around.
Can I please wait?
Wait for him outside.
20,000.
Yeah.
200 million.
Right.
Yeah. You mean what? Me dance. Hey, listen.
Oh,
Daddy.
Aja.
Adiasa.
Na. Sa kam minim say ke be di won komo.
Dabi adiasa so fa na kwa ho. Ana o de neighbor.
Oh,
adiasa we da for bra. Why? Listen. Besa adiasa.
Oh, Aja.
Banisho, what you should
Me pacho ye.
Oh,
me pacho. Ni bibi. Why?
and I ain't take a clear mawa.
Me pacho ye.
I said to me, me no nasa.
Left him or Honejai.
I will pacho. Sister, no lift him. Why?
Me see a ye.
Are you?
Hey pa, why?
Let me say.
Miss Anna.
Yo. Sister, we there. And I pay the cabin ship. Una, and I pay. I'm on it.
Ye me Freddy boko. And so you boko sa. Me diani Ellen White.
Ellen White.
Me bani Tony. Uba Chelsea ye. Oni me pa.
Eh.
Chelsea. William.
Tony man.
Okay.
Ah.
What is it? Me sakura. Me fi sakura. Me sister yina. Sabre wana. Namo, what am I say ade?
Me dream it is so di me dream it is so di
Ayo, bacho wato.
Dinti dia na de bai na hoye.
Ne wo ye pa.
Ede nya me
Si ba e nyina me say. Me ba Tony. Me ba kra no. Na oni ni nua me fan say oni na hyase fidi koda bremu a o ba be ware.
One of us na feeding go fra brem.
Adu so o be ware. Akra yi man kwai.
Akura be.
Wei.
O man e kwan sese.
Ai. Pepa cho ka chen so dwun.
Nya butire na je se mi tie won sam kai mu a wo cha je so ogina o montama na
Wo tina wo mutem. Wo be say awade na mame.
Se ne
semo.
Me bacho uturufu. Madama. Mu peje no mfiri na. We di madama meslo. Factor ni ne me bai. Entra patwu mu de. Madama. Minim hu bibia. Wale ne bai. Ene toni. E won komodi. Mi pa me de. Kachi ba me ne nkasa na woda. Obakwa fa mi mfiri. Fiza me famu ji no. Ma me di one no. Ene di mu nkomo bi enti we ye bacho dama. Mi fiza kwa masema nya masema. Na mi bacho me pass bia. Yo, mami, madama.
ana kwe
Bere na da sipa.
yo daddy won ba mi enka se ai asam na ba ye kai
Tony asem me nka mo madama. Wona wo amare ware.
Ni se wona wa ma oba ne ware a me so tunu fu mama. Na on chunu.
ampa
Mommy, I don't understand. Tony, ono kwa na ede na ho hihye me.
wala
Enya sa me na me ho abo me ho so na me. What? Me ka so so if me ti ba no timi.
ontimi
You don't understand what?
Mommy,
no eti o masi o nde nkwala na aba no enye me no tete penso a Ya de ne ma me we na wasa me ne ware a chinchin na twa no. Omutimi chusu.
Where the chinchin trying?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then talk to your son. Me back.
I will talk to my son. So talk to your daughter.
Me say me call her mommy complain say me ba to me like anytime.
Yeah, so fear. So fear you dey.
Sa no
ka e ho kire ai.
Na se come ni asa. Ah, na wutu on ka we na ma me nkeka bi ntire no. Na o ma na sore ko.
Mommy. Ma complain say ade na oni that the mo ye no. Enye fine. Pese mami abetina akasa money many house ana mo pe.
Ya betira say wo pe bibia I mean. Enyo ma say ya na be hu. Akasa take your time. Na hwe twen. Aka krabi na sika ya pen. Me asa aka na ye dia my agent. No mo de o ma sem nyina afiro na me kura ma bre.
Mommy, me nko me ho kura ska do say na maji agent no so oje say nko.
Mudi. Ya dibi didi wo fi ha. Ya dibi twa bills ne ade. See, I better take time kakra. Just so they hanging in there kakra.
It's what if say me name sister so man we yan kan bere.
Kabaya papa.
I don't like this. Me pe kura. Obi amako school me wo ejuma. Still they mo me ye hwe.
Into our chase what you doing with it. I said no in fair. I mean, I don't understand. Why must it be like I have to always force you to come here? Chelsea, I don't need to force you. You know that, right? Me, my baby's row. I came to visit you. My baby home, mommy, no papa. At least you have to also come and see my mom. It's not fair. Listen, the way you're making the whole thing sound, it's like I'm forcing you to come here or something. And I don't want it to look like that. You're my girlfriend. You understand? You need to at least come here. Just come and visit me. Pay me a visit. It's nothing. It's not like you're going inside my room or something. Already, Ma, explaining to you, sir. Also, last time, the way I that situation, nice. I spoke to my mom. I did. Chelsea, listen. I'm telling you, I did. I spoke to my mom. I told her what she did was wrong. Yeah, she was even telling me that, okay, I should tell you to come around so that she can get some quality time with you and all that. But the way right now, no, because Brana said what told me, I'm not blaming you, though. I'm not blaming you. You are right. Because the way I'm here, no, can make her come in some way. But you know, Ma, you two, you are a mother. And you see how it is like. You understand? So you just come around. Oh dear, me, I handle the BBR. I'll handle everything. Okay? Please. Even this thing, am I supposed to even be begging you? Am I supposed to beg you to come here? Chelsea. Please, I'm begging you. Okay, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Chelsea, if you don't love me, it's okay. You should just let me know. So here now, it's a simple thing. No about my man, then I know my left and right. But the way I will behave right now, no, it's like there is something in your heart and you want to tell me and you don't want to tell me, and it's like you are hiding a lot of things from me, and I'm not happy with it. No, I'm not shouting. I'm sorry. But as you're stressing me out. Okay. What do Matthew? Enti yan fan shut up.
Tony, send your minute will count the phone soon, and no me patrol. Stay away from me. Tina baby na me tell me baby. Period.
Chelsea. How many times? And I'll person me catch her say, men taking me mom in your man serious. When him say when I'm a pal, when him say right? So when him say when I'm a pal. My catch her say, girl, intia me mama oh yeah son in your man is because on say way back no, ni papa. Boy, me papa or some new maybe, and then because of that, you know, ebe mama papa so standing on his feet. It's because of that, me mama person yes say pushing, but in your own me don't want to hope. You understand what I'm saying? It's forget this girl. No, let's talk about us. Forget about that girl.
Good. So now I bet in how we church you. When you're that just church you much of mammy, sir. Because I can't take it. Oh, mammy humiliating me. But you this old mammy betina baby out here. Oh, because it's me parents cry. For what? Me not made me wash a shell. There be Tony for me ye. Me what bomb me hoswa, me de me hoshi shabema. Me say. Me you need Mrs. Tappany grass on worry.
Chelsea.
Ah!
Chelsea. So you're not even looking at me.
Ben person me she
Tie, just listen to me, okay? Hear me out. Mommy funny don't be wako. A mimi decision and make sense. On only decision I'll make it, they want to make a decision, mommy. Because we will not go to see ya. Me na many oba betna. Do you know how many years I'm in betna? Almost 70 years. Not 70 years in penny pana de be many. You understand? To me choose so bar me penal. So forget about my mom's side. What do you mean? I know, say Oboy, you know, she came to disrespect your parents and a whole lot of things. You know, I know my mom. She can do worse than that. But just forgive her. I'm begging you.
Me pacho. And your man, you're right. As a mina, oh, girl, no so pena kona kofano. Because it seems say mina mabe obstacle be na mijina ho because se mini ho dia wo be ware girl no ba me wo hontina wo ye ho se de say wankasa hwan na wo pe because wo nim ne wo pe.
Listen to yourself, Chelsea. Opa kama can't sell. What's me? What girl no ba fi wo ho no.
Na se wo so ho no. Wo hu ye mi anu nyina. Adint na still wo ma me aye se me na mijina montem.
Chelsea, I made a decision to make.
Ow.
Jai's outside the mommy na me making me decision, okay? Me nyakra. Me mommy di wakane die, okay? Me nim so disrespectful. Let's go straight to the point, okay? Okay. Me hu se nyo mama obuofu. So ati hase. Nyo mama obuofu pa anti. I'm sure. Me forward 20,000 be amount. So ati hase. Me pese wo dey just don't say anything.
Mommy
just go to the shop.
Debio, mabusa uska. Mishia would have been pana me Chelsea. My request to be a free order. Anytime be a free payment now send my me better I say Ushia me no. Anytime be an hour reduce from my account to me do seek anyhow. But and see ya poor. Me father wa bobra.
Chelsea.
Hey, Chelsea come me pacho, I don't need it.
Okay, let's put it this way. Okay. Me and I make Jimmy. And I'm sim di misika na metete na me dia ma wadi. Family mama ho. It would your family say me Jimmy bi and I told a girl bi na wudi misika. Okay? Me wise kana ma.
If I told me be obi a Jimmy sika.
Jesus Christ. Teacher say
Nkansah to me who's Oboy now plenty. Who do sika more about
why are you still on this same I'm not
can any say. Some for say Jimmy.
Oh, Chelsea.
Nkansah ne hu Oboy pe. Tony, what are you saying?
I'm not interested in her. Na person oti ase me peno. Na what shall we?
Who mommy, not me.
Na me mommy need decision. Me or need any rights so be make decision na mommy.
On this issue.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Things say be out doing some discount top into the she scanning na hump out there or the marriage job. How them sure afa cheme. Why? Into there. Yeah.
Tenase. Minim sani a wotie minimu nyesa ase minimu we sky man just see na ofi akwa obesa de aya topic for this time obeka because I don't know scan asa wo dey tata anytime bia oye bibia na Chelsea je send mommy manje ahwan na beje
anyway say there what is your beje
na manje a obende
there obeje
oh no please
anyway me pesa wo dey cotton was here sport mommy you understand why. Anyway, cheers to our new good times.
Charlie, what's up? No, it's only Bonina. This is the woman I flew you, my wife. Chelsea, of course. Hello, how are you doing? My friend. Oh, nice meeting you. I'm Kelly.
Chelsea.
Oh yeah, I felt a lot about you. Kwadwo Nkansah. Hey, Charlie. But it's not madam for you. You get ice. This year, I mean, I've been home, so hey, nah. Oh, but that's not as being a mechanic. Oh, the best friend, pardon me. Nice meeting you too. You dear gratitude. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a good corner. It's a best tattoo. Yes, I'm baby. I already didn't come on. Oh, yeah, sure. Anna, never. I said 2 8 now. And one. Matador. Why? Broken. Nana. Bye,
Good afternoon. Tony.
Were you not the same person who said you are fed up and you're getting out of this house, you're packing everything and leaving this house? So what are you still doing here?
Yes, I was. But man, I catch me some injury. So I have to stop.
Yeah, make my house will be a problem. Anyway, that's you guys your problem because you being here got nothing to do with me. The person with me because I have nothing to do with you.
Angry. Ababa, we were down there. When I told you any many. When I feed no. What it tell you any shen no. We be saying say on a castle walk away nyanko. Wanko. According to the way nyanko. What's na him? Because when you baby I walk. Miss my man in Konuko.
She should just stay away from my lane.
Who are you? Who are you?
Mommy, you say she can stay. This is not my house, this is your house. It is
This is my house.
Then she should just be with you. Whatever that you guys have, you guys are planning towards me, it should be around you. You guys shouldn't put me part of. Don't even involve me in anything that you people talk about.
God have mercy.
It's our conversation, but I didn't talk about it.
Oh, mommy, peace. I miss you, mom, peace. You can go to hell. All I know.
Maybe I knew. Waiting and I'm a person me kono.
What in an asshole? What done it there? You are going nowhere. You are going nowhere.
My house, of course.
Oh, that's a really nice one because I don't know. Say you're feeling already. So she a bear man. I saw the video with Sharp Terrorists. Come on. Can I look at it? To me, now my words never be back.
Wait. Again. Mati. When I met facility, I mean,
We are 1 minute to be an offer. One
business. No, everyone the best at
do it full time. As I was saying, it's before I stand away to me, I call them a few. As I'm the work of Fiamma, my parents are there, and you want to. Into my coffee, I'm found coaching.
Am I confused?
How?
I'm banning by my share. Baby, I'm it. Maybe baby shall payments, maybe 2 payments.
You know,
no, baby. You know it doesn't work like that.
It does. Una experience it.
I couldn't baby, I'm it. You know nothing about me.
Listen.
The only man in some of my cash was maybe 2 parents. Oh.
What if some people feel na baby for me? What if say my co-fee after look at my parents or my accept one? Yes, you mean I had you.
That's what I'm fear. It doesn't necessarily mean so what I'm feeling, no, baby.
Please try to understand. Mommy found call me parents first.
The fact that what I'm feeling doesn't necessarily mean say. And I said, and warranty say, we know about that.
I know, me can't so pay me, but culturally and say no. Do you understand?
I'm the only parents won't market is our culture. It's our culture for them.
Please.
So where's she Oba? Where's she Oba baby no rapporteur.
Nasi kabema kwa de ofie obe rawa no aye no ade. Ana uni.
Oh, nasi ya coach. Nasi o to uni coach.
Be patrol be me phone.
Uni coach.
I know. O pese me confia bra be me right.
See that?
Anytime. If you see a career with me ako.
Yeah, what can I say about it? Let me think through it because in Duncan, my main dream. Yeah, you know, in the boy. My main dream, I said, the boy. Yeah, 2 days because I don't know because we are Casa side, we are the crowd.
So now, cover
let me be there right. But you see, what's me? Maybe be you, what's me dream?
Now, pay me and I'm going first.
But I don't know if membrana. What's up if you have you? Bibi have a body.
We are your boss.
Evium.
Ura no ire at force. Mabahada. One missing. And ya so and a minimum biggie. A byway and when it 20. One was a shower. I told me I catch him. I play winning.
Okay.
And Chelsea, a byway or Titi, Massy. What I catch him, some Mucasa says, if you have a problem, what would I want to one or what?
Oh, banana.
Aye, I want to go and will be up. Miss someone. When you're the I can't know it. I could have been a matter to I'm in it. What will get you shot? And no much now, a shower, a bush yatu. Me, come to me, and Musso, and Chelsea, on Chino, 1 for 20, and Marcolay, and 1. And yes, Sima, said it, which was when you're about food. And men as women have yawa. I didn't know what one years, or so much you would be over to about it. I wouldn't say, one much shower, you cut there. Now you're from us. Not make a baby, I won't tear see. And Miss Sermon, or out of forcing. Any dear one, about you. Casachoba, one channel. Now make grand pie bono, make good be a man sword to be a son in the paper. What I want.
What day?
Kasa
Man, too. What day?
Emi tikakra.
What's it?
Mami. Jesse. What's my okay? Me do what me tia say. What the gaba? Oba to you, onya bofra. Wonyini. So dia. Kada we kenka beti wasi. Oba be mo nya nu sei. Be na funi. Very timi. Be ma sentu kese. Me na betere nyansa. Wo no tia kwesa. So many years. One from I tell nyansa. Me na say oba eni tu isi bono. Me na mutiri fama. Me pa chawo. Me ba on fa to ni o. Wa fa so no. Oba ni mo na ta bi dom. Ani wo fo se obenya ani yan ti ase. Ti pa chawo. Woni obai eni to Nkansah enya mi fia. Na ba kesa se mi pa chawo.
Em se hayo ofia. Eya jutri de shiri de no ase.
Samusu de bia, semina ro. Woni ba target so am pa chawo mo yire.
Ani afo. Wait.
Mo yire.
You ya mo ya target say.
Na me ba cho. Wo ba ne me ba twempuna. Wo so le ya no address. Wo abesi ya say no ba Nkansah. No nya me ba na chi.
Me di ukuru ya target.
Aya nne.
Ah, wo ba wo go na tele. O be say mi say. O say ati wo sika. Entire e bia me fa kam yire wana.
We mi ni wa go abesi mechi.
Me wale bro ni fit.
Oh.
Wo ja me ba.
Mami ya jimi.
Yeah.
Wo so me.
E ka so ma.
Be ma tutu mi ni ye le.
Na me yire. Se go.
Me wale bro ni fit.
Mas wale bro fit ba oni.
Se ma promise le una he me sire.
Ana we so wo ya. Yes yes. Yes.
Wo
Mami fa go.
wo na ni na mo.
Ko fi ote. Na ma no abon san oje jo.
Waje me
Na jiro.
Ne ba ni po.
Ba man power wa.
Miss no.
Meme na natenache Chelsea na ba betiti.
Just here na oje no. Yes o. Wonye de.
Odi be ye.
Wonye de.
Odi be ye.
Wonye de.
Aba ya se do te wa wo ka se aso wa ya fode bisa.
Wait,
Wa ye ma fu de.
Ana de ofuda ya beju mpuno me ka so.
Acho, asma me mo sari. Ora o ba ko matenisi. Mo sango.
Ana no te wono. Ya sheka kra wa te me ba ne wa. Ka mi di ja.
Mami, wait, sorry.
Ale batri ya kana.
Mo sari mi
na cho ya kwada.
Wo fa me.
Ya kwada.
Na ni fi nya fu sa o.
Kwa wai.
Mi fi e be me na. Mi fi nya fu sa.
Ena me te kwa ho.
Wọ́n mú tún mi fẹ́ yẹn fún.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma aso owó ló tó maami
Ṣé.
mi máa ń yàn náà.
Wọ́n ní ọ̀yẹ́ na mi máa ń wọ̀ yẹ kyẹ́ o. Màá nù ẹ̀ yẹ kyẹ́ o.
Great.
Wọ́n jù ní àtúfọ́sí wọ́n jù ní.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ase.
Wọ́n jù ní ẹbí àwọn oje ní tuntun ẹ̀ ń wá o. Àtúfọ́sí ẹbí àwọn oje ní ẹ̀ ń wá o da.
Ẹnu ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Tuba fọ o ti ma sọ wọ. Tuba fọ ma sọ wọ.
Wo tuba fo.
Tuba fọ ma di ọsẹ.
Wo tuba fo ante.
Wọ́n bí a máa sọ o bẹ̀ mi. Kúrẹ́sì ni.
Ẹ̀rọ̀dì yàn.
Ọ̀sẹ̀.
Mímí pẹ̀ wò.
Na wo so ka se kakra.
Wo yà tó ní bá ara òun náà.
Wo ya fo de.
Ẹ̀rọ̀dì.
Ẹnu ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Ẹ̀yà mi bá wà tuntun kúrò dé mi bẹ́ẹ̀ bi o.
Kwa na me de tuntum na mpe.
Ẹnu na sẹ́ wò.
Mi pa ma de.
Ẹnu ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Ẹnu na sẹ́.
Aso bọ́bọ̀.
Chile. Na fa ja kan to na ye se kakra. Ojimi. Obi di o ba abeje. Ya tnache. No obi a obi awo na
This is a psychopath and it will not work.
What say there?
What come for? Who are you?
Ete bro fu bi a o. Aba ya no amambo.
So we are psychopath.
I want Kansi. Yo, bro. Kansi's on there. I just want to see a very nice the view. $60K. I checked the price. $60K, no easy. Hey. Oh, but nice. Bro. So how far with that yo, Chelsea girl?
I swear that girl, it matter the ball, me. I know what I. It matter the ball. The kind of pressure this girl they give me,
Pressure.
My guy. Now, Oba Michelle say no chia Michelle say me ko chia parents. Come on, me feel cry on by. Now me ni Louisa me dey for how many years? 3 good years. 3 good years and sana me ko the parents. Now when we chi oh Charlie no man. Okay. Now when we chi yeah me fro me name madam forbidden come fro. Now when we chi ya.
Ah, na we ko ni fi aden a.
Bro. No. Ah. G. Are ze we ge ana. Then somebody I can't
say. Enye like bia, what you say? Mommy na wakoche no. O me bisa small question, 1 or 2 questions bi. Na we yi ano. Asa.
Ah, G.
Oh.
Oya no. Oya sam.
Bro, enye like bia, bro.
Yeah, on your.
Is I just na dey omo ye mo chore ka be say like obefi no feel more secure do. What you say? Enye like bia, bro. Kochia kofi.
No, like we okay. I want to use all your okay.
Ah, me very okay.
Me sure ben na me ko ni fi oba no ma mi fie, me ko ni fie.
Enye like bia.
Ah, na me ni dey oni fie. Jija de okay.
E ma no.
Yeah, we me anam ko fa me ko buy.
Di o mo say ma no. Na say na mo nya very safe. Sasa wo ma ni fie na ono aba o fie ne. Na say ya wontie news na. Woni ye ku obi nya ye say nti. Ma na no person feel safe. Wonya ko ni fie na ko che mo mini popi na. Right now, what be part of the family? What in be sure what time bia, what in call time bia. What you say? Bro, jai sa hit and run na pursue us gay. Get we there so we ha na ku fie.
Me sure ba enra chi. Me no ba ni ko ni fie.
Na haide, get no pe no.
Woni me obedi me chi ni makwa na.
Me no be ko. Ah, me mo shirt bi wo kwa me. Enra kwa na me craft you.
O
ti buy. Me shane ye ko.
Obedi me sure ba eni ana oba na ko ni fie. Oba na ma o fie no.
Enya like bia. Bro, enya like bia.
Okay, Nyanza say between say for safety reasons.
Safety reasons on. You see, you say
or nice, or cool. Because I'm minute tenant today.
Already a nice girl. So I was oh you watching here.
You know what come at.
Bro.
You go compare young pay move for ni bi.
Davi mu de no. Na ba na wapon. Oh, sa. Hey, na sa fa.
Tony, why? Where have you been? Mommy has been looking for you everywhere. For the past 3 days, don't bear fear.
What makes you think you can talk to me like that? Huh? Are you my mom's spokesperson? Huh? If you don't know, the next time you see me outside, now kasame home power, what I'll do to you,
Tony, Mommy has been worried.
If Mommy has been worried, are you the one to tell me? Are you the one to tell me? Hey, stop following me, Stop following me. Are you kakalika?
Do you think I'm stalking you?
You see me next time and talk to me. You see what I'll do to you. Baby, let's go. Let's go.
Anyway, bye-bye.
You next time see me and talk to me, I'll sound you here.
You'll be to me, Ayana, is that all?
Oh, sweetie.
Sweetie, say, I don't understand. What do you know how Manaka say anyhow? I work it out.
I say, I intentionally, screamed and all that.
And think I'm had the uncle on the back as sorry.
Oh, no. Say, I'm impression to me. That's it, kakra.
So, you're serious for once.
Oh, Chelsea, stop that. You're me enough. Once again, why sad?
Oh, no, why you're sad? It's just a meme there.
Chelsea.
Chelsea, what?
You know why I love you so much? So little jealousy, that makes me even fall for you more.
For real?
Oh, come on, Chelsea, stop. It's over. She left. It's okay. Just let it go, okay? Let it go. Let's go and have fun. Come on. Smile. A little bit. Aha, there you go, man.
Babe, pick up. Yeah, hello, babe. Good news. Yeah, sure. To say I'm certain of meeting your parents. Oh, come on. That's what I'm saying. Like I can do anything for you. Of course. No, it's not about my schedule. Just ask them time I'm gonna be free. Maybe the babe, you know, say like I'm often less busy. All right, sure. A perfect day, don't worry. Yeah, it's a perfect day. Babe, listen, I'm willing. You know how much I love you. You know, meeting your parents there. Man, I was actually thinking, say, ABA too early, but I mean, if you insist and say, maybe one way crowd, say one man was open, I said, and you know, meeting them, no, it's not really a big deal. Matty. Until then, I'm okay, all right, sure, no problem. All right. I love you too. Sure. All right, babe. Okay, bye. All right.
Chelsea.
Don't Chelsea me.
Why so moody? Listen, I will explain it to you once and for all. Jessica can never be my wife. Jessica is like my sister.
But she's not.
Just listen. When Jessica lost her father, she actually lived with us. Like she had been around us. I've been doing a lot of things with Jessica. And to me, she's just like a sister. You understand what I'm saying? Think of it. Akwa is the only one about having sex. That's incest.
Tony, please don't go there. Oh, baby, I say only and worry. Ain't no on your sister. Stop saying it's all your sister. On your sister.
Just don't get me wrong. Me can't say my sister. But me person me trust there. Like the way I'm in Panatrano. I mean, who say now me to me, come on. I can't even do something with her. I can't. Even that day say, the way I'm a brave pants and I'm the obefi. I'll react to her. But you know, say, oh no, you're fun. Meet me and shout at her. I can't do that.
Matthias, anything I'm saying, me fear you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, yes, me fear you. Now one day.
Imagine, say, ne papa, we invested a lot into our company.
Why explaining it so many times, Matthias?
Let's say, my share that me break your heart and as it be sad.
There no now, and this is also person no be soon. Me na was me so right. And so the China me soon. Please.
Anyway, you should know that I love you more. When I'm a parent. And then your mommy will decide that mommy. And me and I'm making that decision. Okay? Sirika Cray.
Oh, damn it.
Anyway, you know, today I was thinking about something, So the Biami Befi and I said, who feel when you say like I don't have a power. I on your board.
Sometimes me bored, but I'm used to it.
But I know some petty things you need to buy for yourself. Like, you know, how do you do that?
My father boy. And I'm a father, so send the baba be a near Juma. Besides, or home bar and for any can say Juma. My mother Oceano and near Juma. It's not a color and it's said yet, you know. Yeah, so I'm busy.
Fan girls know the pay.
Remember, so, Anna.
Of course, I'm here.
Good.
Anyway, I was thinking about something, I don't know if you like it, but let me just put it out. All right. It's not a bad idea, though. I feel like, sir, okay, to me, it puts investment into something. If you invest into something,
I mean, you're not gonna go outside chasing money or anything. You just be in a house. Now is a well I mean, if you do that thing to her, at least you know, say you are getting some money somewhere. You understand? Without even going out, you still make money.
How?
I mean, you just invest money into something like some business or something.
Money was serious.
No. I mean, it's a good deal. Genuine problem.
I have money, yes.
See, kind of problem. Oh, come on, man. All right, let me think of something. You know what? I'll see a company at home. You're saving some skibby or no.
We feel one of any much of my water.
Daddy, stop it.
Oh, see, I will never say it. Oh, let me ask
yourself. Daddy.
You mean, oh,
we don't say my mom or something.
I didn't go see Mama.
Next time,
I did go wrong.
Because I know.
You mean, I didn't go see my mom. Yeah, minimum attraction. There were 40 something years in me. Minimum weak points. Send a minimum and feeling one, suddenly be at the sick as some war. Yen 10 billion.
Say, I don't buy yourself.
I tell my new women pay. I son. Who better not quiet the one?
To a mini papa. Johnny Mammy and a farm is and a party to me. I'm in a 20. So me to my baby daughter.
Miss Anna, my Jimmy say, Uncle, the ham, Papa.
Take it, issue. The master issue be a bit more passion. The young committee mess. Tio Fana Sumara, pretty well being in the corner planet. What they are drinking, see a human shisha no motion.
So, Muyin and Nini de Ocrania show. Or Muyi de Bronian.
Some baby, your papa, who will pass car or mounted. Issue be a bit more, baby young committee mess. Ethiopian Fana Sumara, Kokurabi in the planet. What they are drinking, see a human shisha no motion.
Chelsea, Kayla, and the useless family. They are scummers.
You're my wife.
Minimum way.
Some baby, your papa, who will pass car or mounted. I say, Yababa, you go. Yabeti, I must see it too. You know, we're going to bet you. And this is in Papa. Yababa, you go. Yabeti, I must see it too. You know, we're going to bet you. And this is in Papa.
Sissy Napa. When you
Hey, Ato
40.
my own day.
See, come on, why you
Sissy Bomity.
I can't remember my panno. I'm Oboy Siki get me fanno. I can't remember when it's swallow. I'm thousand who be me one. I can't remember my panno. I'm Oboy Siki get me fanno. I can't remember when it's swallow. I'm thousand who be me one. Yesterday you Jack Toronto. And the Ukra Kono.
Oh, you're from Jack Toronto.
Be a Canadian burger.
Yes.
Chelsea, did you mommy? Why me can't ya? Come here.
They look for innocent people, then they will scam you.
What the man, mommy? And now, family.
I know how to deal with people like that.
Your baby be a mountain cocos. She shared you, Mama. Yesterday you Jack Toronto. And the Ukra Kono. Your baby be a mountain cocos. She shared you, Mama. Okita the master, Senya, Betia, Colipepom, Obekwa, Bessa, and DCC.
Arrest him.
Arrest you. And never my pay. Number one, do them know now. I think. You don't get a man, my emily.
I had it.
Okita the master, Senya, Betia, Obekwa, issue for say they are going to say. Issue be a bit more. Baby young committee mess. Tio Fana Sumara, very what being in the corner planet. Hey, Omo de I drink kasi you man shisha no mu shisha. Omo be di omo baba mo fe pasta no mu te. Issue be a bebo. De mi nyanka be chiri west. Eti obi afa na sumara na pokura bi ne era plane.
I want you some man boy.
What else no Wayne?
Says no grandmother and a
Hey, Omo de I drink kasi you man shisha no mu shisha. Omo be di omo baba mo fe pasta no mu te. O say ya baba di go. Ya beti ati amasi edu. Ya nu mebeti e beti edu. Anti sisi ni papa. Ya baba ni go. Ya beti ati amasi edu. Ya nu mebeti e beti edu. Anti sisi ni papa. Naka me ma wo me pano. Enfa usika kiti bi me fano.
I've put some musical sense into it. Celebrate and then celebrate.
Always be a mastermind behind everything you do.
From the judgment.
Naka me ma wene swano. Me ma unfa usimpu e bi me wa. Naka me ma wo me pano. Enfa usika kiti bi me fano. Naka me ma wene swano. Me ma unfa usimpu e bi me wa. Take it in it.
Can you repeat it?
I should always be a mastermind